Alright guys, so today we're gonna write a simple Python script to generate a random password. So we're gonna need one library. After that, we're gonna need a character set. Okay, so after the character set, we can use another character set. So for that, we're gonna need to import another library named string. So this is a bit advanced character set. And this is the basic. You can add any character set within which you wish to add your password. So let's print the second character set. So this is a character set. It is precisely the same except that it has a wide range of special characters. So let's just get back to the script. You may use any one of them. I'm going to use this one as this is more customizable. So let's write a function. We're going to need the length of password from the user. So what we're going to do is create a list and each of its entry will be a random character from this character set. And after that we're going to join that list. So let's get into it. So this is going to choose a random character from this entire data set and then append it into this list. So we're going to need a password at the end. So let's just join it into a variable. After that, let's just check it and call the function random, and we are all good to go. So let's run it. Enter length of password. I'm gonna say 12, and this is the password. If you do not want to include the punctuation, just remove it. Save it. Let's run it again. This time let's say 15.